Imagine having a stylish modern ottoman that instantly unfolds in a cozy chair, relaxing daybed, or premium twin-size bed for guests. Now look at this luscious material. If you have a multi-purpose room like I do, and you want to have best of both worlds to use it for your own needs like exercising, but also have an upgraded way for people to have a guest bed or have a wonderful place to sit. This is what you need to add to cart. Compared to traditional chunky pull-out couches, I'm going to show you how this layer feels and how it looks. Take a close look at how easy it is to set up in just 1 second. See how I've pulled it apart and back all in a matter of seconds. Now, the real key is the position. It has an incredibly compact footprint, measuring just 29.5 inches in depth, 26 inches wide, and 24 inches high. It's perfect for tucking away in any corner like I have here in an exercise room that's in a guest bedroom. And when you easily unfold it into a bed mode, it stretches out to a generous 76 inches long and 26 inches wide, giving your guests a proper 6-inch mattress. Now I have it here in this beautiful minimalist beige fabric, but it also comes in a fantastic dark gray, a light gray, and another pink option as well. Now the cover is made from beautifully textured, ultra soft corduroy fabric. It feels wonderful to touch, and it looks incredibly upscale. The entire cover features a hidden zipper so you can take it off and throw it right into the washing machine to keep it looking like brand new. And even better, there's absolutely no assembly required. It comes right out your door. All you have to do is unbox it and watch the high-density memory foam expand to its full size. And look at this. It has handles and pockets on the side for you to tuck in a remote control or your phone or a small charging cable or headphones. Because it utilizes a frameless, high rebound foam construction, you never have to worry about rigid metal bars or springs poking through while you sleep. The foam is expertly engineered to offer a soft, stable support that keeps you perfectly elevated and comfortable all night long. Whether you're using it as an upright chair for reading, tilting it back as a gaming lounger, or laying completely flat for a movie night, it handles all flawlessly. At the end of the day, this is an absolute must-have for anyone trying to maximize their square footage. And look, it even comes with this matching pillow and the gorgeous beige, and you also have a bag that you can carry it in or wrap it in when you're storing it or moving it. Perfect for college dorms, perfect for extra bedrooms, perfect for the living room. Make sure you check out this great option and add to cart now. The price is so good, I highly recommend. You will love having this value extra added piece to any room in your home.